Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today on a beautiful Naples day. Going to show you the Boston Whaler 2019 315 Conquest. It's a phenomenal boat. Let me show you some of the features. Starting at the back of the boat with twin 300, the new Mercuries, absolutely beautifully designed. They're quieter, they're faster, just a phenomenal new engine out of Mercury this year. We've got the fold-down seat in the back. We've got a side fold-down seat, which is an option as well. And as we move to the middle of the boat, you can move this back. You can lounge this way. It's got a footrest for sitting this way. You can lounge facing both directions this way with a table. Then you've got the helm. You can put your own electronics on it. It does have the joystick operation, does autopilot, skyhook, and joystick control. Fantastic. Then as we move into the cabin, nice spacious cabin. This is set up as a bed. It also comes up for a nice table. You can put 6 adults around here. Large stand-up head, vacuum flush toilet in it, and an aft cabin in the back. 2 more adults can sleep back there. So if you have any questions, would like to see it, give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.